Hi, in this video I will show you how to spoiler tag on the Discord. So this process is very simple. It's same like you hide the text on the Discord. So let's start it. First of all, open your Discord mobile application, or if you are on the browser you can simply follow the same procedure, and also for the desktop. And once you will open it, now select any server or the message box from here. Once you will select a message box and you will see page like this, simply you have to click on the message and from go to the numeric side, and you have to search for this lines, enter it twice, and now uh, write some text here, spoiler, and then again to numeric, and you have to put the same lines. Remember these lines you have to enter same like this. Once you will do it, now you can simply send it, and you will see it's a hidden text. To open it, simply you have to tap on it, and remember that once you will tap on it, you will not get it back again toward hidden. You have to write again a new text like this, new, and then enter the lines. Hope this video will helpful for you. See you next time. Thank you.